Yes. Good morning, dear students. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. After
Good
that,
morning, ma'am.
you
Good
can
morning,
mute
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
very,
Good
very
morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
mute
ma'am.
your
Good
audio.
morning.
Good
Mute your
morning,
audio.
ma'am.
You are all good students. After you can greet your teacher together. Okay. Mute your audio. Everybody, your audio. Let me admit admit all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody, everybody mute. Okay. I will tell you at that time you can greet the teacher together. Okay. If one by one, if you are starting to greet, how it will be the class? Huh? Everybody mute your audio. Everybody. Rudra, I want to see your video.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Dear
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Felix, mute your
Ma'am, your
audio.
sound is very low.
My sound is very low. You can hear, right?
Ma'am, can you hear Didi?
Let me check. Let me check.
Hello, ma'am. Can you see me? Ridley?
Okay, let me check it. My audio, whether my audio and video are fine or not. Okay, I will call somebody. Krishnananda. Krishnananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope I am audible to you, right?
No, ma'am, your voice is so low.
Very low.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very low. Just increase the volume of your device. Arpida.
ഒന്നും കേൾക്കണില്ല.
Arpida. Arpida.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my audio is clear?
No, ma'am.
Huh? No.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay. Okay.
sonable.
It's not clear.
Okay. Okay. Let me check it. Let me check it. Okay. Glenn.
Yes.
Glenn. Where is Glenn? Glenn.
Yes.
Okay. So I am audible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see me in your screen? My video
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also.
Yes.
So
Can you see me?
see, let me check it, Mankle. Let me see it. Okay. So good morning. Good morning to you all. So okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
I
morning,
request
ma'am.
I request everybody
Good
to
morning, ma'am.
mute your audio. Everybody to mute it. Okay. See, I think almost all are present. Now we can start our class. In the last class, we discussed about the different parts of a digestive system. Then, Manav,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Manav,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, tell me, which are the different parts of a digestive system?
Out,
Very good.
food pipe,
Food pipe. Very good.
stomach,
Stomach. Then,
liver,
okay.
small intestine, large intestine,
Hello,
and
ma'am. I
anus.
can hear you.
After that,
Anus.
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 These are the important parts of a digestive system, the organs which help us to digest our food. Last class we discussed about what happens to the food when we keep it in our mouth. The teeth, tongue act on the food and they make the food help in breaking down the food. They help in breaking down the food and also push the food into the food pipe. So here I want to ask a question. Which is the organ that connects? I want to ask the question to Janvi. Janvi, Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
which is the organ that connects throat to the stomach? Throat with the
Pipe.
stomach. Very good.
Pipe.
Food pipe. Okay, mute it. So, food pipe connects the throat with the stomach. So, when the food after it break down into small parts, it will reach into the stomach. In the last class, I explained it. What happens to the food when it comes to the stomach? Everybody, mute your audio. So, what happens to the food when it reaches?
Ma'am, you can see me, Tanvi.
See, can you see me?
Yes.
Can you see me and can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In between, I will check your audio. Okay. Now you have to listen to the class. Okay. In between, I will watch. Okay. I can see a lot of students here. Now, in the last class, I explained what happens to the food when it reaches the food. Do anybody remember about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who said that? Okay, Juvan. I am giving the chance to Juvan. Juvan, just tell me what happens to the food when it reaches in stomach. All others keep silent.
Ma'am, the stomach juice will break down the food and it will push into small intestine.
Very good, Juvan. Very good. Okay. So the food when it reaches to stomach, there is a the stomach juice which is produced by the stomach. Stomach juice is a digestive juice. It helps in the digestion of food. It mixes food.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, I read the textbook yesterday and I asked my mother
Okay.
about one organ
Okay.
called bile.
Bile.
It is
Bile
the
is not,
organ.
it is
Bile
not an
juice.
organ. Bile is not an organ.
It
Okay.
is
That I will explain you later. Let me finish this. Everybody mute your audio. Otherwise, I will mute it. Okay. So, this the stomach walls also make squeezing and relaxing movements. Due to the squeezing and relaxing movement of the stomach, this stomach juices mixes with the food. This stomach juices helps to break down the food substances into a paste. Last class, I promised you to show you a video. Are you remember about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Today
ma'am.
I will
Yes.
show the video. That video shows the movement of the stomach. The video shows the movement of the stomach. Okay? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who wants to talk? Siddhi.
Ma'am, yeah.
Yes. What you want to talk?
Ma'am, the liver's juice bile, right?
Okay. That I
Bile,
will
the
come to that
juice.
point.
For
I
what
will
we will use that
say Siddhi.
that
Now I am.
juice is which you
Siddhi, listen. Siddhi, now I am talking about the process of food in the stomach. After that, we can go to liver. Okay, at that time, I will explain what all things help the liver to digest food. Okay, can you wait it for them? Can you wait it for it? Now I can show you one video which shows the movement of the stomach. Siddhi, do you want to watch the video?
Yes.
Okay, then mute your audio and sit. Mute your audio.
Ma'am, Nafnia is in the chat.
Couldn't hear you, ma'am.
She couldn't
Everybody,
hear you.
see
Ma'am,
who?
Nasneha can.
See, you can
Nafnia is in
hear.
the chat. She couldn't. She said she couldn't hear you.
Felix, you can hear me, right? Almost all the students of the forest can hear. So here everything is fine. They have to check it there. Okay. Let me show the video. Can you see a picture?
Ma'am, picture of stomach.
Okay. Mute your audio. You are all good student. Then why you are not listening? Why you are not obeying? Risa. Everybody should, Krishnendu. Everybody should mute your audio. See, mute it. Okay. Can you see the stomach? Can you identify that organ as a stomach?
Yes.
Okay, you can identify. It is a stomach. It is a bag-like organ. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now watch carefully. Here I am.
Ma'am, it is like a banana.
Okay, it's a bag-like. Okay,
Ma'am,
it's
now
like a bag.
not muted.
Okay, so here I am going to show you the movements in the stomach. Okay, what I want to show you? Movements in the stomach.
system.
Okay, so everybody should watch it. I told you my stomach shows squeezing and relaxing movement. Have doubt. What is this? What is this squeezing and relaxing? Squeezing means something becomes small. Sometimes the stomach becomes small. Then the same time it will expand also. I will show the movement. Okay, watch carefully. Everybody should watch it carefully.
Ma'am, now when it,
Yes.
ma'am, now when it is not muted, ma'am.
Small intestine. See, have you seen the video? Did you see that video?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why you did not see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I will. Okay. See, I will show you again. You have to watch it carefully. Okay. In that, you can see. Did you notice stomach is becoming small?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is the
Yes, ma'am.
it is squeezing, becoming small. Then
Yes, ma'am.
same time it becomes large also.
Yes,
Expands
ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to show that movement. Okay, I will show it again. You can see along with the video. Did you hear any audio?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no problem. No problem. You saw the movement, right? I want to show that. Okay. Okay, let me take it to rewind. Okay, let me take it to back. Not started. Let me take it to back. Just wait. I haven't started. I am rewinding it. Okay. Okay. See, now I will start it. You have to see that.
Ma'am, the organ is stomach, right?
Yeah, it is the stomach. Okay. Can you see? I will show you. See, it is becoming small.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Small, big. Okay. I hope it is clear to you now. Hmm? Is this
Ma'am, why it is
Ma'am.
being small?
why it is becoming small? Hmm?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
See, because
I know the answer.
who know the answer? Glenn.
Glenn.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
when we eat the rice, that
Okay.
rice will go through the food pipe and it will reach the stomach.
Okay. Very
And the
good.
stomach will be fill. Then it will go to the small intestine, large intestine. So it will be small. Then we will eat again, it will be big.
Say one
Ma'am.
minute. Here I want.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Relaxing.
I know.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am.
Listen.
Relaxing
See,
mode.
everybody muted.
Ma'am.
1 minute. 1
Ma'am, I
minute.
want to say something.
I also want to tell you something. Okay. Just first listen me. If everybody is doing like, okay.
Ma'am, can you say the last thing ma'am have taught inside the video?
Okay. I will surely say it. Right?
That time,
Okay.
that
Felix,
time I
mute
was
your audio. Felix, mute your audio first. Okay. See, here something is coming in between. 1 minute. Let me. Here, see, 1 minute. Please wait. Okay. Okay. In between something. Some windows are open.
Chinutin.
No, no, no. In this way. Here. No, no. Okay. So we are now. I show you the. I showed you that video, right? Okay. In that video, the muscles, the stomach becoming small and big. It is due to the stomach is made up of muscles. Hmm? These muscles are showing the contracting and relaxing movements. That is why the stomach becomes small and big. Understood?
Thank you, Tam.
Okay. So when the stomach movements, these all stomach movements help the food to mix it with the digestive juices. So it will the digestive juice help the food to break down into a paste. Then it will be pushed into the small intestine. Okay, up to here we learned. Now I want to show you. I think everybody's doubt is clear now. Dia, Riza, is why it is not muted? Why it is not muted? Who says that Lenovo tab 2? Rename it, mute it. Now we can.
With Juan.
Juan.
Okay, we can now. Everybody mute your audio. Everybody, you are such a good students and showing this disobedience. Okay, so I will show you. I want to share the picture of different parts of the system. Okay. Okay. Just wait.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Huh? Who can't see? Who can't see? Okay. Can you see now? Picture of the different parts of digestive system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody, can you see? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just say why I am
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
in between means some are saying no, we can't see, we can't hear. See, is there? I am checking.
We
Is
can
there?
see, ma'am.
Okay, so here we know the different mouth, food pipe, stomach. Up to here we learn. Now, what is this organ? This one I will, let me take it. What is the name of this organ? This one.
Liver.
Okay,
Liver.
Liver.
Liver. Liver.
What is the color of that liver?
Brown. Brown.
Reddish brown. Reddish brown. Reddish brown.
Brown. Brown.
Mute. It is reddish brown in
Brown.
color. Okay. Whose is not muted? See, that is a very disturbing sound. That is why I am always asking about it. Okay, everybody mute it. When I ask anything, you can say that. Okay. So liver. See, this liver is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. Okay, liver has a peculiarity. It is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. Not only that, it produces the bile juice. B-I-L-E, bile juice. Okay, bile juice is a digestive juice. It helps in the digestion. This is what Siddhi told about in the few minutes back. She told about it, right? So, liver is the largest.
It's not Siddhi, it was Sri Hari.
Okay, Sri Hari also told it. Okay, so
Ma'am.
liver is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. It produces the juice called bile juice. Bile juice, B-I-L-E.
Ma'am, we
Important.
cannot hear you.
Okay. Just check your device. Now, this bile juice helps in the digestion of food. Okay. So, we learned about the liver, which is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. I will ask Ashwell, which is the largest and heaviest organ in our body? Largest and heaviest organ in our body. Ashwell, mute yourself. Mute it. Sorry, unmute it. Yes. Tell me the answer.
Liver.
Okay, liver. Okay. Say, I want to tell you, when you are attending the class, you have to keep some, you should not sit far away from your device. Okay. If we teachers call your name, sometimes you may miss that. So, keep some distance. Not too close, not too far. Okay, keep some distance so that what all teacher is saying, it is audible. Okay, liver. After that, we can say about this small intestine. Okay, small intestine. So, in the video, you have seen, from the video, you have seen how the paste form, how the food when it becomes paste form in the stomach goes into the small intestine. You have seen it, right? In the video it was there. So, when it become a paste form, it will come into the small intestine. There, this bile juice mixes with this paste form of that food. Again, that bile juice acts on the food and will break it. Okay. So, we can say that digestion of the food gets completed in the small intestine. Digestion of food gets completed in this small intestine. The small intestine absorb all the useful things in the food. From the stomach, the food comes into the small intestine as a paste form. So it is easy to absorb the useful things. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Just I am testing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When the food becomes paste form and when it comes to the small intestine, again the bile juice from the liver mixes with the digested food, mixes with that paste form. Again it breaks up. Then the stomach walls will absorb the useful things from the small intestine. Almost the digestion process finishes in the small intestine. Okay, so which is the organ where the digestion gets completed? I will ask.
Intestine.
Intestine.
Okay, small intestine.
Intestine.
Small
Small
intestine.
intestine.
The small, okay, mute it. In the small intestine, the digestion process gets completed. After that, useful things, everything, small intestine is absorbed. What all it is left?
Ma'am,
Is
Kirtana can't hear you. Kirtana can't hear you.
Yeah, see, I will tell you.
Ma'am, many of them can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay, see, because some of them is not muting the audio. That is one reason. Another one, some of you are using Bluetooth connected headphone or something. Understood? So if you are not keeping it some distance, my sound will become echo. Just check your device. Who is making that sound? Cat sound. Who is that? Who made that sound?
Tanvi.
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 Who made Tanvi? Switch on your video. I want to see your face.
Ma'am, I didn't do.
Hereafter I will check who is doing that. I will get the.
I think
From here I can understand who is doing that.
Maybe
Okay.
Riza.
Everybody mute your audio.
I think
Everybody. I don't want anybody to comment on it. Okay? Everybody mute your audio. Okay? So, Nasnia, mute
Yes,
your
ma'am.
audio. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Okay. So, in the small intestine, digestion gets completed. Okay. Now, is it clear? Now everything is fine, right? Okay. Now we can say up. Okay. See, some errors are there. We can neglect it. Okay. Now, when the food becomes yes, I can hear. See, some errors are coming in between. It is all technical things, no? Okay. Now you can see it, right? So I think now we have to wind up my class. Next class, I will continue with this digestion. What happens to the food when it comes into the large intestine? Okay. Today I will send the notes. You have to, those have the textbook, they have to read it. Okay. I hope
Okay, ma'am.
everybody understood today's portion. Digestion, what happens to
Yes,
the food in the
ma'am.
stomach, and what is liver, these sort of things. Okay? Now, you can leave the class, but say I have a request. When you sit, when you attend a class, mute the audio. Okay? Otherwise, we will lose our time. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye, ma'am.